Hello everyone. Good evening. We have here an additional with extra puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, February the 11th, 2023, and it's actually today a Sunday. And I've told you in the evening I will do half of the puzzles in the additional. And in this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. I've already done today a samurai Sudoku. Well, a lot of time I need for a samurai Sudoku. So now it's only half of these puzzles I will do. And the first one I will start is the Sudoku with 3 stars. Yeah, 3 stars Sudoku. Number 5949. Yeah. 5949. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Alright. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright? So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 4 twos. Alright. We have here 2 threes, 3 fours, 2 fives, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 1 7, 4 eights. Alright, so the 2 and the 8s, and 1, 2, 3 9. So the 2s and 8s are in majority. Can I start with the 8? 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, third column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in that row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about the 2 then? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. Here, 2 in the last column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the column next, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4, okay. 4. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in that box. So the only place left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. 9. Here should be the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. Here can it be 9 because we have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. Here can it be 9 because we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here can it be a 9 because we have a 9 in that column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Right. So we have a 5 in one of the 2 boxes in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, okay. 3. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 in this row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. Let me mark those. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. 1 digit left in this first row for number 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, okay. 3, 3, okay. 3, 1. We have a 4 here. Okay. 6, 6. But the 9 now. 9. 9, okay. 4, 4. 2 is already used. How about 1, 6, 7. Yeah. Come on. 7 and the 3. I'm thinking. 1, 6, 7, 6, 6. 1, 6, 7. 4. Well. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and the 7. Alright. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, okay. Now. 1, 4, 4. 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3. Well. Come on. 9, 6, 7. 6, 7, 3, 4, 9. Yes. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, and 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 4, sorry, we have a 1 here. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. We have here the 6, 7, and a 9. So here should be the 3 or a 4. 3 and a 4. Here we have a 6, 7, and a 9. So this box should be 3 and a 4. Here we have a pair. 3 and a 4, okay. So the other 3 should be 6, 7, and then 9. 9 should be in one of these two boxes, okay. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row with 3, now only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be there. Need a 1 here. 1, 3, 4, 7 is missing here. Okay, need a 1. 1. 4, 2. Need a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, there are only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 5. 1, 3, 4. Here. 4. Come on. This is taking too long. 9 in this column. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next on that column. There are only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. No 7 here. 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 7, 6. 1, 7, 6, 6. 7, 6. 1, 6, 7. No 1 here. 1. No 1 here. 1. Come on. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, there are only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column. There are only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Well, it's not helping me. But 8, the 9, the 2, 5. 5. Out here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next on the last column. There are only 2 places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 6, 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. So this box should be a 1 then. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, there are only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 1. That's not helping me. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Here we have 3 and a 4 left. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3, goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and 1, 3 and 1. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, only 3 places left for the 7. Could be here, here, or there. You see a 7 in this column. No 7 there, so the 7 goes here and there. 7, 5, 6. Can it be a 3? 7, 5, 4. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4 then. No 4 here. 7, 5, 6. 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6. Okay, 5 and a 6. 7, 5 and a 9. Okay. 3, 1 and a 4. 3, 1, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and 4 in this box. The 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left should be the 1. So the 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Okay. 6, 7, 3, 4. 3, 4. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So, oh, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Yeah. 1 box left. No. 3 in the 7. We have a 3 now in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in the first column. 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. One number, the 1 is missing. And the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Oh, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then. 6, 7. 6, 7 or so. But these 2 numbers. The 9 and the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. Sorry. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. 7 in this column, last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the amount. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.